So we're here today at the Giants Live event in Leeds with the AGITO system, but most importantly fitted with the new MagTrax. I've been waiting for this to come because it's very, very unique in the dolly world that we can get our system to follow just a magnetic strip.
Hi, I'm Will. I'm director on Giants Live. And we've been using the new MagTrax with the AGITO, which we are a big fan of anyway on Giants Live.
It's a great system that allows us to lay no tracks but still keep single man operations, and also it gives us a really, really small footprint, which when you've got multiple events happening across a very quick turnaround, it's a really, really unique way to keep camera movement.
We're really impressed with the flexibility. We love the speed at which we can lay down stuff in different arenas as we go around. For us, it's a winner.